Hello traders, today, February 20th, I'm going to use the Sonic trading system and show you 4 to 5 consecutive signals in a row, seeing how and looking at the performance of the Sonic trading system. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So I'm using the Sonic trading system by Day Trade to Win. I'm going to focus on the exact entry or better that the Sonic trading system tells me. I can use a 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 30-minute chart, daily chart. I'm using a 1-minute chart. I'm waiting for that audible alert. That sound that you heard is telling me that there's a signal with a text price 6108 to the short side. We recommend that you use limit orders so you don't have any slippage. Limit orders don't incur slippage. So I want to also make sure that the risk-reward ratio is 50-50 or better. I don't really want to go too upside down where I'm risking so much more than the target. So remember that even though we have a signal, pause for a moment to see where the target and the stop is. And that target was hit, and the risk-reward ratio made a lot of sense. I'm going to add the text and marker because it's important when you see the exact entry and exit for your trades, and that way you can compare and analyze and do some analytics on your performance. The other thing I want to mention is that because we've had multiple short signals in a row, it's a higher probability that we'll have a winning trade, not all the time, but a winning trade when you have multiple signals in a row. We have a filter. That yellow dashed line is a filter, and anything above that filter is a long trade. Anything below that filter is a short trade. So we're above the filter, and that tells me we're going to have a long signal. I heard the audible alert, or see the text. I'm placing a limit order at 61.15 quarter, just a tick better. I want to see if I can make that risk to reward ratio a little better. If I don't get filled, I'll wait for the next trade. That's fine. But I want to be filled in exactly this price. I'm filled. I move my target. I move my stop if I have to. This is semi-automated on NinjaTrader. And I'm also having, in case you missed it, a live NinjaTrader webinar. They're hosting me as a presenter.
Target filled.
And you can visit daytradetowin.com or visit ninjatrader.com to access that live webinar. Okay, so the Sonic is giving me a third signal here.
Order filled.
In a row, I'm going long 61.1850, and the target is
filled.
Immediately hit within the next 2 or 3 minutes. It's important when you hit the target sooner rather than later. Okay, the audible alert sounded. I see a signal 61.21. I'm placing a limit order at a better price. A limit order.
Filled.
I'm filled, and now I'm waiting to be filled either on a stop or on a target. One thing I did forget in this trade, as you can see, I forgot to move my stop to where the Sonic is telling me. So I'm not sure if I was on a phone call or if I was multitasking, but I forgot to move that stop.
Filled.
And it worked out anyway because it hit the target, and that's 4 to 5 trades, winning trades in a row. There's actually more after the fact, but I'm only showing you a quick snippet of using the Sonic trading system. Definitely up a couple $100 just using one contract. If you're trading multiple contracts, this could be $1,000 day easily on these 4 trades. If you haven't already visited daytradetowin.com, get a free member account, join the Day Trade to Win family of traders, and I'll see everyone at the next webinar. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.